For plastic limit, we have to clean this grease plate. Remember that we are going to do the treat which have 3.2 millimeter for diameter. That means that the moisture content is decreased. After that one, you have to clean your hand. This grease plate also must be cleaned. Then we are going to do the treat for plastic limit. When there is too much water, this treat cannot be done. And even a little water, also it's cramped. We roll it up to where it reaches 3.2 millimeter of diameter. When it reaches 3.2 millimeter of diameter, you have also to weight the mass of this moisture can, which is clean and empty. Then you put this kind of treat and repeat again like previous. To stop when it reaches 3.2 millimeter of diameter. You do it quickly as possible. When it reaches 3.2 millimeter of diameter also, you stop. Then you measure or you weight the mass of total with moisture can and those treat for plastic limit. For another one, like previous, even this one, we have to weight the empty mass of this moisture can and do the same like previous step. As I told you first, we have to do quickly as possible. Also, with the total mass of cane and those threads. After finishing, we are going to put those one in drying oven for getting the moisture content. After 16 hours in oven, this was number 1, this number 2, this is number 3, number 4, number 5 for the sample from liquid limit. But for plastic limit, this was number 1 and this was number 2. Then we put it together in drying oven. After putting in this drying oven, we have to set this machine at 105 degrees Celsius. Then we have to wait up to 16 hours minimum.